Okay, welcome back to Between the Keys. Today we've got a Beatles tune. It's a classic. We've got Come Together. C minor, C minor 7. I'm playing it here. The road sound. Here would be the root position. Here would be first inversion with the C on top. Here it is starting on the 5, second position, second inversion. G, B flat, C and E flat. That's coming up as E flat major 6, but if you play it over a C, C minor 7. Bass line. C, C, G, B flat, C, E flat, C. Here come all flat tap, E come grooving up slow. Juju, eyeball, he roll, you roll, he got it. G, head down below his knees. Hold you in his arms till you can feel his disease. That's the riff. That's the verses. Spinal tapper, he say 1, 3. So I'm playing the G as a 7, and when you're going down to the F7, you can put a passing chord in the F sharp 7 to F. You can feel his disease. And when we go to the chorus, A minor 7, come together right now over me. And back to the verse. What else is there? Well, there is the solo. That's actually the same chord I'm playing here with the verse. Yeah, so move it up to there. You can double it. G, B flat, too many notes. G, B flat, C, E flat. Really, we want organ. And then bow, bow, banana, bow. That's guitar, so maybe I have a better one. That's a bit more friendly. Bow, bow, bow. G, stay on G. Bow, ba, ba, da, da, bow. Da, 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 and so on. However long you want the solo to go on for, but normally over me, that would be it.